Are you running lectures or seminars enjoying quite a popularity? Are you spending time and money to arrange a room, which often proves to be too small and inconvenient? Is your audience wasting time and money to commute and be actually present in the lecture room? Are mundane admin tasks, such as checking attendance and testing the knowledge conveyed, consuming your energy? We have the perfect solution for you. WheezyCast is a platform for running webinars and online courses. WheezyCast gets your audience engaged where it's comfortable for them. All you need is a device connected to the internet and a browser. Set up a new webinar in minutes by determining its basic features. Add participants. Each participant will receive a unique link. All one has to do to join the webinar is click it. Stream audio and video content. Present any multimedia content using the split screen feature. Answer questions asked via live chat. To make sure the participants stay engaged, display benchmark questions during or after the webinar is over. Once the webinar is over, generate a clear report and a summary of the participant engagement. Visit WheezyCast.com and try our platform for free now.